Fly to the land of the waterfalls and be one with nature as you see this great natural spectacle. Iguazu Falls is situated in both Brazil and Argentina. The falls, with a width of over a kilometer, height of 80 meters, and length of 1.7 kilometers in total. This makes them one of the most popular tourist destinations in South America. 80% of the falls lies in Argentina and 20% in Brazil. The Iguazu River starts at Parana's highlands, flows through Brazil where it forms Iguazu Falls, and continues to Argentina, where after another 290 kilometers the water ends in Uruguay. The water that flows down at this point is fresh, which means it has a low concentration of salt and minerals. The temperature is cold all year round because of the rapid H2O flow from these falls, and make them a perfect destination for those who love adventures in good weather throughout the year. The river forms a beautiful waterfall and has a deep basin because of the height from which it falls. Water from this fall flows into an upper basin and then drops down again to form another, called the Devil's Throat, also known as Garganta del Diablo by the native people because of its beauty, noise, and power. In total, there are 275 separate falls that line the river. This makes it one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world. In addition to all the amazing nature, the Iguazu Falls has a rich history that includes several tribes living in this region for hundreds of years. These indigenous people would take shelter underneath the other parts of the falls during a brief period of time each year when water levels were high, and also used the land as a way to worship their gods, since they believed the Devil's Throat was where all the water from upstream flowed through. If you would like, you could go on a tour with those who live in the area. It will give you an opportunity to hear all about their way of life and daily experiences living near such amazing nature. The falls are located where the Iguazu River meets the Parana River. The National Park has an incredible range of ecosystems, including tropical jungle, subtropical forest, grassland savanna, and more. Mammals like jaguars, capybaras, and anteaters can be found here, as well as a wide variety of birds. The fall's name is taken from a Guarani phrase that means large water, and located in the middle of the rainforest, which makes it hard to visit. Visitors can take a boat through the rapids, where they will see all of the waterfalls located on the border between Brazil and Argentina. They are accessible from both countries. Tourists can visit Buenos Aires or even travel to Rio de Janeiro after visiting this site. This waterfall is loved by many tourists because it has both large and small falls that are stunningly beautiful. It is also difficult to visit, which makes it more special for visitors. While the waterfall is beautiful year-round, Iguazu Falls has some of the highest water volume in November and December when all of the trees are green. Declared as a World Heritage Site and also received protection as a biosphere reserve. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe for more. And don't forget to like and share.